Welcome to Sanaa, a new frontier in AI image generation, where efficiency meets precision. Developed by NVIDIA, Sanaa sets the bar for high-resolution text-to-image synthesis, delivering unmatched quality at lightning speed. With Sanaa, you can generate images up to a resolution of 4096 by 4096, effortlessly creating high-quality visuals with perfect text-image alignment. Unlike traditional models, Sanaa's innovative design allows it to operate on a 16 GB laptop GPU, making it accessible, portable, and incredibly fast. What makes Sanaa stand out? Efficiency. At its core is a deep compression autoencoder that reduces image data by 32 times, allowing for ultra-fast training and inference without sacrificing detail. Compared to giant diffusion models like Flux 12B, Sanaa 0.6B is 20 times smaller and 100 times faster. Imagine this: Sanaa can generate a 1024 by 1024 image in less than a second. It's not just about speed. Sanaa's innovative architecture, including the linear diffusion transformer, ensures high efficiency, reducing computational complexity while maintaining stunning results. Sanaa's decoder-only small LLM, Gemma, elevates the text-image alignment process, offering superior understanding and reasoning. With improved image-text consistency, Sanaa brings your prompts to life with unparalleled accuracy. Sanaa excels in both speed and quality, outperforming leading models in FID, clip score, and GenEval, all while being incredibly resource-efficient. Whether you're generating 512 by 512 or 4K resolution images, Sanaa delivers a throughput that is 5 to 39 times faster than other top-tier models. Sanaa is more than a tool, it's a revolution in content creation. Fast, powerful, and deployable on everyday hardware, Sanaa empowers creators everywhere to push the boundaries of what's possible.